Electronic stability program and brake assist system are critical safety technologies in modern vehicles. These systems work together to prevent accidents and enhance vehicle control during emergency situations. The electronic stability program uses multiple sensors throughout the vehicle to monitor driving conditions. It continuously tracks wheel speed, steering angle, and vehicle rotation to detect when the car might lose control. When ESP detects that the vehicle is starting to skid or lose traction, it automatically applies brakes to individual wheels. This selective braking helps redirect the vehicle back to the intended path and prevents dangerous slides or spins. The brake assist system works differently. It monitors how quickly and forcefully you press the brake pedal. In emergency situations, it can detect panic braking and automatically apply maximum braking force. These systems rely on various sensors to function properly. Wheel speed sensors are particularly important. They monitor how fast each wheel is rotating and detect when wheels start to slip or lock up. Modern vehicles integrate ESP and BAS with the overall brake system through electronic control units and hydraulic modulators. This integration allows for precise control of braking force at each wheel. The ESP BAS warning light illuminates when the system detects a problem. Common causes include faulty wheel speed sensors, steering angle sensor misalignment, low brake fluid levels, or electrical issues like battery voltage problems. In modern vehicles, ESP and BAS systems are increasingly integrated with advanced driver assistance systems. This integration provides enhanced safety features, but also increases diagnostic complexity when problems occur. Understanding these systems and their common failure points is essential for effective troubleshooting. When the ESP BAS light appears, it indicates that these critical safety systems may not be functioning properly and require attention. When your ESP or BAS warning light activates, you have 3 proven DIY reset methods that can resolve the issue without expensive scanner tools. Method 1 is the battery disconnect reset, the most reliable approach. First, turn off your engine completely and remove the key from the ignition. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the vehicle's electronic systems to fully reset and clear temporary fault codes. Method 2 is steering calibration reset. Start your engine with wheels pointing straight ahead, then turn the steering wheel fully left until it stops. Turn the wheel fully right, then return to center position. Turn off the engine for 30 seconds, then restart. This recalibrates the steering angle sensor. Method 3 is brake pedal cycling. With the engine off, pump the brake pedal 20 to 25 times to release residual pressure in the brake system. Turn ignition to on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the brake pedal for 20 seconds, then release and start the engine normally. These methods have a 70 to 80% success rate for soft faults and calibration issues, especially in vehicles from 2010 to 2015. If the warning light persists after trying these methods, or if you notice active brake problems, unusual vehicle handling, or multiple warning lights, seek professional diagnosis immediately.